Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am back with a brand new tutorial today, and this one is awesome. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get the Taz Face in NBA 2K26. I spent a long time searching YouTube videos, and most of the Taz Faces are patched, but this method is gonna get you the Taz Face, and it continues to work after patch. And guys, this uses a locker code. This is a locker code you can enter in 2K26, and it's going to get you the all black version of the Taz Face, so you're going to be able to look like this guy. So before I get into it, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is use your mobile phone internet browser just to obtain this locker code for 2K26, and then you can redeem it in game to get the Taz Face. Go to www.crashcoupons.com. So make sure you copy it correctly, guys. Crash Coupons. And if you type it correctly, you're going to be brought to this codes website. They have loads and loads of pages on here, guys. Use the search bar and type in NBA 2K26. Make sure you can actually type. And this is the locker codes page, guys. Now, there is a code on this page that's going to get you the Taz Face. So go ahead and scroll down and look for it. Unlock the Taz Face glitch in 2K26. This is working after patch in 2026. And guys, this is a locker code, so this is a code you redeem in-game, and it is going to unlock the Taz Face for completely free. And it takes a few minutes to do this. This is definitely the most reliable method because it adds the Taz Face to your account, and it will continue to work even after they try and patch it. So you need to unlock your 2K26 Taz Face locker code. This is completely normal. This basically prevents people taking the limited number of codes. So to unlock your Taz Face code, click on this button, and you just gotta follow the instructions on this page, guys. It's pretty easy. Just read the text here, complete a couple of tasks. You make sure you follow the instructions. They're all completely free. So yeah, don't skip this step. Just complete a couple of these free tasks, and it's gonna send you back to Crash Coupons, and your 2K26 locker code will be fully displayed here. You can redeem it in game, and that is going to get you the Taz Face. So that is it, guys. That is how to do the Taz Face glitch in 2K26. Go to Crash Coupons, search for the 2K26 locker codes page, and select the Taz Face code. Make sure you unlock it. Drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.